Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Owlet SOC base station is having trouble connecting, displaying unusual behavior, or failing to communicate properly with the app or smart SOC, performing a factory reset may help restore normal operation. Over time, temporary software glitches or connection issues can affect the performance of the Owlet SOC base station, and a complete reset often provides a fresh start. Fortunately, the reset process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. Before replacing any equipment, it's worth trying this troubleshooting method. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps to factory reset the Owlet SOC base station. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect the Owlet SOC base station from power. Step 2. Locate the reset control on the Owlet SOC base station. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button on the Owlet SOC base station. Step 4. Watch the indicator lights on the Owlet SOC base station during the reset process. Step 5. Reconnect the Owlet SOC base station to the Owlet app. Step 6. Confirm the Owlet SOC base station is communicating with the Smart SOC again.